How's it, people? My name is Greg and welcome to yet another episode of Tech on a Budget. A big shout out to everybody who has subscribed to this channel so far. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments. We're growing. If you've not subscribed yet, our family is forever open to you. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button and you become a member of our family. Easy, and it's free, and would love to have you with us. Don't forget the notification bell. Click on it so you get a notification every time we put out a video. Your comments are very valuable to us, so don't be shy. Ask any question whatsoever. Even if it's not about this video, we'll do our best to answer your questions. Alright, let's see what piece of tech we're going to be talking about today. Come on. From the Genius brand, this is the GXHS G600V vibration headset. It boasts of an adjustable headband to fit comfortably, a swivel adjustable crystal clear microphone, very lightweight gaming headset with soft ear cups that breathes, allows you to wear for a long time, and to cap it all, it vibrates, giving the wearer a realistic feel with a deep bass sound. Price of this one? 450 rands. For 450 rands, this is yours. Before this review, I tested the GXHS G600V vibration headset, and I must say, just like its designation is a mouthful, so the features in this gaming headset. Thanks to the 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz frequency range of the headset, it delivered excellent sound production. The ear cups are very comfortable. My ears are on the small side, so it completely covered my ears. The soft PU leather breathes, so it's comfortable for a long wear time. No sweating around the ears. The headband fits comfortably around your head, tight enough that it doesn't wobble when you move around, and not too tight that it feels like your head is being crushed. The swivel microphone is crystal clear and the cord is long enough for you to move around a bit so you're not stuck in one position. It's also got a 3.5mm audio and microphone cord, and also comes with a 3.5mm adapter cable. What I like most about it is the vibration feature. As you game, it vibrates, just like haptics, giving the gamer kind of a realistic experience of the game. During my research for this, I saw several people say they don't like the vibration feature, but for me, I loved it. It's got an inline control, vibration control, microphone mute and unmute function, so if you don't like the vibration, you can just turn it off and enjoy your game. But if you're like me, you'll find it exhilarating. I find only one thing I don't like about it, and it's the plastic it's made with. It looks and feels like it's going to break easily, so if you have a wide head, be careful when you're putting this on. Then again, for the price of 450 rands, I think it shouldn't be a surprise. So to summarize, this is a surprisingly good headset, and for the price of 450 rands, it's a go for me. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. Join our growing family. Click on the notification bell. We value your thoughts, so please leave a comment. Any comment. Until next time, stay safe.